you guys. Same shirt, same hair, same location. Why? Because I'm doing 2 video reactions today. I just finished reacting to the dance practice of Fake Love, and now I'm gonna be reacting to Airplane Part 2 comeback show. When I first listened to the whole album, this song was the song that like stood out to me. It was like a first love at first listen with this song, and it has been on my repeat ever since I heard it. I am so in love with this song. This is one of my favorites. The second one will be The Truth Untold. That just gets me in the feels every single time. But I've heard a lot of people saying that they went crazy watching the comeback show for Airplane Part 2. So, and I wanted to watch the reactions of other people watching this, and I can't do that without watching it first, because yeah. Well, we'll just dive right in. Let's go. Oh, there's a chair, and there's a microphone. The fan chants though. Jungkook already. Oh, that was slick. That was smooth. That was slick. How he just grabbed the mic and sat down. That was smooth, Jungkook. That was smooth. Jungkook, you are so grown. I'm not ready for you to grow up yet. You're still a baby and forever be a baby in my heart. Jungkook, stop growing up too fast. My goodness. Woohoo! Jay was like, you done, bruh. My turn. And he just grabbed the mic from Jungkook like, spotlight, it's my turn to shine. Jimin's voice is like perfect for this kind of song. Oh, it's like so sultry yet so sexy at the same time. It just fits. Oh, it's perfect. Oh, stay. What they do with the microphone and how it like goes to the next member. Get it, Namjoon, get it. Say more. I'm sorry, I'm having way too much fun with how they're like transitioning from which member is gonna be handling the mic. And why are they all wearing like long robes though? I love the choreo to this dance. El Mariachi, my favorite part. Oh, you saw that? Like the camera person, I don't know if it's like a man or a woman, is loving Jungkook during the chorus part. And Jungkook, stop staring at me like that. You're too young to be giving me that kind of look. No. Hindi tayo talobes, no. Wag kang ganyan, wag mo akong anuhin, hindi kita inaano. I'm sorry, I had to bring up the Tagalog because of the stare, what Jungkook's stare is doing to me right now. Jungkook, I cannot. Tama na, my goodness. Pahingahin mo naman ako. Let me breathe, Jungkook. could do that. I could so do that. Oh, okay. Somebody just, messaged me. Oh, that's cool. How like there's two people holding the mic up for my babe. Cause my babes on a different level. You know what I'm saying? Okay, let's go. Get it, babe. Get it, get it, get it, get it. They're so slick with the microphones though. Oy, ba't ka nakabuka ka? I like that. The way Tay says El Mariachi. And it's funny because I just mentioned that and this is what it looks like. Hold on. Can you see it? Wait, can you see it? Yeah. It's like, he's like, it's almost over, I can't. I want more, but okay. El Mariachi, me, Taehyung. Jin, okay. Oh, El Mariachi, Jin. Stop trying to be sexy on me. No, stay on your lane, bro. Stay on your lane. I already have to deal with Jungkook, not you two, okay? That's just gonna be too much for my heart to handle. El Mariachi. That falsetto, Jungkook, stop it! I'm gonna have a heart attack because of you. Oh my god, stop. There's stairs. Jungkook is such a boss in this. Okay. I loved it from beginning to end. I did not want it to end, but I get the hype now. I get the hype. But anyways, that was it. I truly enjoyed this. Their outfits, I'm not feeling that much, but Jungkook though, Jungkook is laying his outfits. I loved everything about this video. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna go watch it again. So that's it for now. I will see you in the next one. Bye.